Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. As part of our Python programming language series, today we need to write a Python program which it takes a number as input and tells whether the number is positive, negative or zero. Okay, we need to tell whether the number is basically positive, negative, zero. These three cases we need to tell, and for these you people we know already know that if we have only one condition based on only if only one condition, one category whether to show something or not, then we should use if condition. If we have two cases, either this or that, whether this or that, either this or that, like this, any two cases. But here in this program, we have three cases. One is positive numbers, one is zero, and one is negative numbers. Am I correct? We have three categories. When we have more than two categories, then we should use else if. Okay, then we should use else if. So this question comes under the category of else if. Now, how to differentiate a number is positive, negative, or zero? What are the condition? Basically, if you observe, this is the number line. This is zero, correct? This is one, two, three, four, and so on. Like this, the numbers are there. And similarly, minus one, minus two, minus three, and so on. Some numbers. If you consider, this is zero. Okay, this is zero. Numbers that are belonging to the right side of 0 are known as positive numbers. Similarly, left side all numbers are known as negative numbers. Am I right? Negative numbers. And if you observe, what is the condition? If to get the right side numbers, all numbers, what is the condition? If number is greater than 0. Am I correct? How to get the number equal to 0? If it is equal to 0, then we'll get it is a 0. Next, this part, this left side part. How we will get this left side part? If numbers are less than 0. If it is less than 0, we will get this part. If it is greater than 0, it is a positive number. If it is less than negative number, there else it is a 0. Am I right? And basically all the numbers in the number line have only three categories: positive, negative, 0. There is no fourth category or fifth category. Okay. Now, how to write this? If first we will take a number as an input. If the number is greater than 0, okay, what we will do? We will print positive. Next, else if the number is less than 0, if the number is less than 0, what we will print? It is negative. Or else if it fails both the cases, then what is the third category left? We will print just 0. This program can be written in multiple ways. This is the one way. Some people will write like this. Same, first two lines same, next two lines. First line same as it is, second line same as it is. Else if number equal to 0, then what they will print? Print 0. Else print negative. Like this. People like this. People can write in different ways. Okay, people can write in different ways. What we are doing, basically we have three categories. Category 1, category 2, category 3. If you write a code to separate two categories, by default third one will become the else category, right? First, what I did, for the positive numbers one category, negative numbers two category, 1 and 2 I resolved. Automatically else part will become third part, correct? Now here see, first positive number logic equal to 0, 1 and 3 I covered. What is the else part? Will become negative numbers, like this. Here you may write some logic, right? For less than 0, negative numbers first time, equal to 0, second condition. Else you will write positive number, means 2 and 3 you covered, so positive came niche, like this. One person can write in one way. If input output input output if both matches for your code and their code, then both of you are right. There are number of ways to write the same program. Understand it first. Okay. I hope I cleared all your doubts, and these are the three different ways how we can solve this. Now we'll write this code and we'll see the output. Okay, I am using online GDB compiler. Let me write the code. First, I am asking the number. So number is equals to int of input of enter a number. So they will enter a number. If I am writing one logic first, which I have explained. If the number is greater than 0, then I will print positive number. Okay. Else if number less than 0, then what will print negative number. Okay. Then else what will print? Else will print 0. That's all. These are the three simple cases. If you run, for example, 5 is a positive number, so it will printing positive number. Next, minus 5. Minus 5, it is a negative number, it is printing negative number. Next, for 0, it is printing 0. Hence, our program is right, it is working for all the cases. So if you have any doubt, if you have written some different logic, you can put in the comments if you feel it is different. And if your input and output both are matching, then both of us are correct. Okay. Okay guys, thank you. If you like the video, please give me a like, share and subscribe. And if you really like it, share with your colleagues also. Okay, thank you guys, bye.